Okay. Hi guys, I hope you've already seen the one that's up for Intro to ABA. So again, we've gotten approval for the rest of our semester for what the plan is. So you guys know we still had an outstanding lecture to do on Friday. We were going to talk about incidental teaching and natural environment teaching and direct instruction. So I'm still going to get that content up for you. I'm going to deliver it asynchronously, and so that means that you can work your way through it at any time that works for you. So we're not going to have like a scheduled class where you have to be online from 8:30 to 11:30 on Friday. So I will get some information up for you to review so that you have a good understanding of what direct instruction, net, and incidental teaching is. We also had that quiz remaining that we needed to do next Friday. So my revision for that is that you're going to be doing that quiz and you're going to be doing it up on Avenue. But you have the option of doing it anytime that works for you between March the 27th and April the 1st. So if you would prefer to devote all of your energy into studying for the Intro to ABA exam on March the 30th, then you can do that and then focus on the SIS exam, SIS quiz. Okay, so don't hesitate to send me an email if you have any questions about any of this. Chat with you soon.